Mental health matters to me because when you think of it, life is unpredictable, and at some point you either know someone that's been affected by mental illness or you experience it yourself. And I think being in this industry for as long as I have, I just know that it's one of those things that impacts everyone.
When that mental health is compromised and we're struggling and we're challenged and we don't have the support, that really affects who we are, how we show up, how we engage others. So our total wellness it's incumbent on having good mental health.
Without mental health, you don't have health. It's the most important organ in our bodies, and I think if more people could actually begin relating to our brains as organs that get sick, but that can also get better, we'd be able to have a much more open conversation about the importance of mental health. Trillium Family Services is the largest provider of mental health services for families in our community, and I can't tell you the countless number of times that I've actually helped a family member through the crisis of their kid's anxiety disorder or their depression or their suicidal thoughts by saying, call my friends at Trillium Family Services.
We're able to reach out to communities and work with them where and wherever they need it so that they can be the best that they can be and ultimately give back in a way that's positive.
For me, when I think about Trillium Family Services, I think about mobilizing community. I think about reducing stigma. I think about changing lives and helping people better engage in family and community.
I think stigma prevents healthy communities, and so I think Trillium is really taking an innovative approach at looking toward how do we start first with removing those stigmas, pulling back the veils, and giving access and creating healthy environments. Trillium is important because it's bigger than just addressing one individual, it's addressing the whole community.
If you as a business owner are supporting mental health and mental health programs like Trillium, then you're demonstrating to your workforce, to employees, to the community at large, that this is something that really matters to you and that you find important. Mental health affects all of us. And by standing up and being part of that solution, you're demonstrating to everyone in the community that this is something that's important.
For me as a business owner, I'm always looking at how I can support both my employees as well as my clients. And I think that having a healthy community and a healthy environment for people to work in and thrive in is important to the strength of my business.
Studies have shown in the United States that billions of dollars a year are lost because of the impact of mental health. To me, that's just one other reason for a business to be interested in this.
If you want to look at how you can do good in the community, how you could be fostering healthy communities, you should be looking at supporting the work of Trillium Family Services.
People should give to Trillium Family Services because we're making a difference each and every day in Oregon and across the country for that matter. We provide alternatives to state hospitalization. We're in homes doing skills training. Trillium is out there in schools keeping kids engaged in ways that they can graduate. Those are all things that better our community and enhance our future.
There really aren't that many service providers that are giving therapeutic services to kids in the realm that we're able to do. And we're the only provider that does so on a continuum of care, meaning we can help support kids on a preventative level all the way up to inpatient. And if we didn't have that ability to reach out to the community and serve when and where they need it, I think that that would be a big disservice.
I can't imagine the Pacific Northwest without Trillium Family Services.